Alright students, this is my first attempt at giving you some instructions on the internet here for a spelling assignment. So anyways, what you need is a piece of graph paper like so. I'll supply that for you, and you also need your spelling words for the week. Right here, very tough spelling words this week. I'm going to walk you through step by step on what I would like you to do to make a word search for your fellow classmates to solve. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my paper so that you see I have the big margin across the top, big space up here. See, the squares don't actually begin until here. So what I'm going to do in each one of these slots, I'm going to start over here at the far left, and I'm going to write what we have here. We have spelling. I'm going to use all uppercase letters. Spelling, space, week. In this case, it's week 3. Week 3. So we put that across the top, and I'll put my name at the top. And the hour. In this case, it is first hour. Just put first there. Terrific. Okay, so what I would like you to do next is do this. That is step 1. You can pause it actually if you need to. Okay, next is step 2. We're going to create the boundaries for our word search. This is going to be a 15 by 15, meaning it's 15 boxes in a row, 15 boxes in a column in a nice square shape. And I'm going to start by putting a point right here where the boxes begin, down here on the left hand of the S. And if I count it over, I'm not going to count for you, I'd get 15 over here to the end. So top corners, we're going to put a point there. And I'm going to count down 15 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to put that again on this far end. And I'm just going to move my finger across here and see where these two things intersect right here. I'm going to put my other dot here. This is going to be the boundaries for word search. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a ruler and make some nice straight lines here. If you have a pretty steady hand, do that. But if you're sloppy jalopy, let's use a ruler, and it'll look like this when we're finished. Ta-da! And you're ready to go. Step 3 in the process is going to hide these words either across, horizontally, vertically, diagonally. We're going to hide them in here. We're going to use all capital letters. And let's see, so my first word is peaceful, so let's just make this one nice and easy. We'll put peaceful right here in the middle, and we're using all capital letters. Peaceful's there. Let's say juicy. Let's make juicy a little harder here. We'll do this on a diagonal. You know what, my U's look a lot like V's, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, juicy, pencil. Maybe we're going to make pencil really hard to find. We're going to do this upside down vertically like this, and I'm going to do some magic here, and I'm going to finish it all. Boom, voila. I've hidden the 15 words into this. Now I need to fill in random letters to make this a complete word search, so people will have to search through there. So I will start by just whatever, P, Q, R, S, A, C, Y, D, E, F, G, H, and so forth. Now I'm going to use my magic powers to fill the rest of it up. Okay, final step in the word search is we want to give our people a word bank in which to cross off. They'll find the word and cross it off down here. Hopefully I have enough room here. I may have to add a paper down here at the bottom to extend it, but I'm going to start, and I'm just going to put a space between it. So I'm going to start with peaceful here. I'm going to give it a space, and we'll put juicy. Can't start a new word there, so I'll go pencil. Space and cider. Oh, let's use the magic again. Wow. So there we go. And I got all the words on here with the exception of You know, restate, I couldn't fit in a box, or recognize or rearrange. I kind of did those so I can get them all on paper. If you want to do that on a separate line sheet of paper, just so someone has to work on it. But if I'm working a word search, oh, missed a letter. Put an O there. If I'm working a word search, I like to have it down here. So once I find peaceful, I like to be able to mark it off here, and that way I don't have to flip it over or anything like that. So if you have a separate page you want to provide with your word search, do that. But there we go. There is how to make a spelling word search, and the specifications again: 15 by 15, all capital letters, and whatever rules you decide, whether you want them all to read like this, that's up to you. But just let whoever's going to solve it know what to do. Thank you.